In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SIPmath's multiple experiments to do sensitivity, probabilistic sensitivity, on a variable in your model. It only results in one value measure being shown, but it could be repeated for multiple value measures, and then you'd have what you might want. Let's start with a new worksheet. And I'm going to generate a normal 1, and I'm going to generate a normal 2. And we'll put some means over here and standard deviations over here, and let's see, we'll call that a 0, and we'll put a 1 here just for kicks, and we'll call that a 1, and we'll call that a 2. Alright, I need to give the results over here, results. Okay, so let me define those. So we'll go over here. Oh, I need to come over here and do this. I always forget to initialize. Then I'll do SIPmath, generate input, normals with means here, and standard deviations here. And we'll use HDR and do it like that. Okay? And now I want to give them names. I'm going to call them D underscore normal 1 and D underscore normal 2. So we'll call over here SIPmath output, and this time I'm going to do multiple outputs. I'm going to come back and do the multiple experiments, and here are the names. And so I say OK. And that all works, and PM table is got this generation, it's got normal 1 and normal 2. Okay? So now let's come over here and do the sum. Alright? Which is equal to this plus this, right? Okay. Now, let's do a multi-experiment where normal 1 mean is varied. And the values are going to be 0, 1, and 2. And my this is going to be my output variable, right? Okay. So what that is my output variable, I'm going to come over here to this, define outputs. Oh, I need to go over here. I need to do that. Output name is this. That looks good. C6, that looks good. Input name is going to be normal 1 mean, okay? And I don't want to, I'm just going to say normal 1. I don't want to make it too difficult here. So it's, and the input cell is this, and the input values are over here. And let's say start the spark lines at C6. That doesn't make any sense. So let's take this and put the C. Let's put those right there. Okay. So they should be. Okay. Let's see what happens. And that seemed to work. So now the question is, how do I get cumulative distribution functions for these? Over here, I have these SIPs, and basically I want to generate a cumulative distribution function for each of these. So what if that is an output variable, can I just go over here to this and say graph and do a cumulative right there? So now what I need to do is I need to get cumulatives of these guys, graphs, histogram, Can I do more than one at a time? I don't know. Output to graphs over here. Yeah, I guess so. All right. Why does it say normal 1? And this says normal 1, and that says normal. Oh, it's normal 1, but this is a mean of 0, this is a mean of 1, and this is a mean of 2. Perfect. Okay. So now, if I come over to here, I can do that and do this expansion. I now have my, let me just get there so I can read this. Normal 1, well, shoot, let's just wrap them. I got normal, normal 1, mean of 2, normal 1, mean of 0, normal 1, mean of 1. Interesting. Why it did it in that order. Not sure why. Well, that's not, I'm duplicating the same card. I'm going to take this chart and copy this, come over here, and come up here to this top, stick it in here, and then that one's going there, that one's going there, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to push it over here. Now I've got my 3 charts, and I'm going to get the legend, and there we go.